The ACLU of Idaho is suing to stop the enforcement of House Bill 83, which was signed into law by Governor Brad Little on Thursday morning. The law now makes illegal entry and re-entry of undocumented immigrants a state-level crime. I'm your neighborhood reporter, Ali Tripke, and state and local law enforcement will now have the power to enforce immigration, but only if a person is detained or investigated for a different crime. The ACLU says this is unconstitutional and will allow for racial profiling.
Today, I'm disappointed. I am disappointed of what my state has become and the increased hostility against the Latinos and immigrants.
Ruby Mendez Mota says she's a proud daughter of immigrants and argues this new law is unconstitutional because of the rights undocumented people have in the U.S., like protections against unreasonable searches and seizures. The ACLU says this opens the door for hostility towards people who don't look white.
When there's no training and when the law is so vague, and that's where either intentionally or unintentionally racial profiling comes into play.
In a statement, Governor Brad Little wrote in part, "I'm proud to work closely with my legislative partners to support President Trump's efforts to ensure the immigration laws on the books are enforced and to deport illegal immigrants." Tonight at 10, I'll have more reaction from the ACLU of Idaho and legal input from former Idaho Lieutenant Governor and Attorney General David Leroy. In studio, my neighborhood reporter Ali Tripke for Idaho News 6.